as we were talking about, the preparation of the soil is really important. So when you go to your local garden centre to get advice, have a look at the label on the back of the bag. It tells you what's in the mix. If you get a mix which has lots of nutrients in it, it will be really good for you. So potting mix is very similar to that. It has a range of products in it. So we're looking for a water crystals, we're looking for koi, which will hold a bit of water. We're looking for fertilizer and nutrients to help the plants grow. So it's really important to read the instructions and labels on the potting mixes and see what's in them. If you get a $5 bag, it's probably going to have less of those things that plants need than if you get a $10 or a $12 bag. So it's really important to have a look at that and see what you're getting for your value for money.